This, and this are proof that affiliate marketing works in Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get registered and get started in these 11 free affiliate platforms without any VPN, without foreign numbers, and you don't need any special tools. These are going to be done all on your smartphone. You can decide to use a laptop if you have, but the best part is that you can use it on your smartphone. So if this is the kind of video you are looking for, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way YouTube will inform you or notify you on any new video we drop on this platform on how to make money online. And if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. My name is Michael, aka Ola Benin. So before I get started, I want to tell you what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing where you sell other people's products or you refer people to buy other people's products and get commission in return, right? So like I said in this video, I'll be showing you 11 platforms where you can promote other people's products and get paid in Naira. Yeah. So number one on our list is affiliate.conga.com. I'll put the URL or the link on the description of this video for you to check it out and get registered. It's for free, guys. You are not paying any money for any of this platform, I'm telling you, because I mean, you have to sell their product. You can get registered on affiliate.conga.com. Very simple, very straightforward. The next on our list is Builderall. Builderall is builderall.com. Builderall.com is a very straightforward platform. In order for you to join the affiliate link, you have to be a already existing user on their platform. So what you do is you register on builderall.com, builderall, not run, builderall.com. You get registered and you hit the affiliate links. These services and platforms are platforms where you can like invite people to come and register and buy your products, you know. Yes, that's how it is. That's how it goes. And the next on our list is Jumia, guys. If you are in Africa or anywhere in Africa, you would know Jumia. Jumia is a online shopping platform where you can buy varieties of things from kitchen utensils, smartphones, gadgets, clothes, name them, the list goes on and on. Is an e-commerce website where you buy things online, you get. So Jumia has an affiliate platform. It's called co.jumia.com. I'll also put that on the link in the description. All right, it's called co.jumia.com. You go to that link, you register. It's straightforward like others, guys. When you register, you can see you can promote a product if you decide to, or you promote your link and people will get to register using your link and you get paid in return. Whatever product they buy from Jumia, you will be paid a commission. All right, next on our list is wakanow.com. Wakanow is a traveling agency platform where you can book flights, where you can, you know, including flight reservation, hotel fees, all those stuff. It's a platform where you can do all of that. And once you get registered, you know, people fly a lot. You get. So if you register on wakanow.com as an affiliate, you can share your affiliate links and to your friends, in short, those that want to book a flight, they can get registered through your affiliate link and book a flight, and you get paid a commission. You get paid a commission in return. And guys, it's really worth it. Just copy it. There's no harm. You just share it. You might not get it now, but you can always earn whenever they use your link. All right, guys. The next on our list is Grammarly. Grammarly is a platform where they provide the services, a keyboard that can help you autocorrect your mistakes, especially when you are typing, creating a content. For those of us that are into copywriting and many other stuff that does strictly on writing, you don't want to type a wrong grammar for your clients and all that. So Grammarly helps you autocorrect. It's a keyboard that helps you autocorrect your grammars, your English, and you know, your sentences and everything. So Grammarly is a very beautiful platform because people actually pay for their premium services, and you can just copy the link and register as an affiliate. You share the link to your friends and tell them about this keyboard. This keyboard is a very nice keyboard. You can get registered on the keyboard for free. Yes, you can get it registered for free, and there's a free version. Many people will want to use your affiliate link to get registered, and maybe one day they decide to make payments. You know, they decide to go for premium. you get paid. You get paid the commission. I mean, this is cool money, guys. So the next on our list is Payoneer. Wow, Payoneer is a very beautiful platform. They provide international payment services for anybody across the world. If you are an affiliate marketer, you are a freelancer, you are a content creator, whatever you do, and especially you want to receive money from outside country and in different currencies, like in dollar, in pounds, in euro, you name it, they have a platform for you. And they also have a card where you can use to purchase some things online using their platforms. So I'll be dropping their link on the description of the video, guys. Do well to check it out, get registered, and you can do your transaction from there. They will pay you. They will pay you for bringing people into their platforms. And the next on our list as well is Binance.com. Binance.com is a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange where you can exchange your crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. There are a lot of it, guys. You can buy, you can sell, you can send to someone, you can gift someone, you can create a gift card in Binance and share to your friends and family. So Binance is a very beautiful platform. You can do trading, forex trading, spot trading. It's so much. The list goes on and on. You just register, share the link, let people get to know. Without you being registered, without being a partner in their affiliate marketing platform, you can also copy their link and share. You can also share their link to friends and families, and you get paid a commission. All right. So being an affiliate is a plus. Is a plus on Binance. All right. So the next on our list is Remitano. Remitano is an exchange platform where you can easily buy and sell crypto. They make it very easy. Unlike Binance, you cannot buy with Naira on Binance, but Remitano, you can buy crypto with Naira on Remitano and trade. You can do many things with Remitano. It's very simple and user friendly for Africans. The next on our list is Canva. Canva.com. Canva.com is a graphics platform where you can create video, you can edit pictures, you can create thumbnails. Like the thumbnail of this video was created from Canva, and you can do a lot with Canva, guys. Even animations, you can do animations on Canva. On Canva, you can do a lot of things, and it's very important where a platform like that is so useful. It is important that you register in that platform as an affiliate so that you can promote their product. Because if I share you my link as an affiliate, then you can as well purchase their product and I get paid in return. I'll be dropping the link on the description of this video as well. Second to the last on our list is affiliate.fiverr.com. Many of you know about Fiverr, right? Fiverr is a freelancer platform where you can render your services and people would come and patronize you and buy your product and all sorts of things to get. So that's what Fiverr is doing. It gives you the platform where you can render your services to people and people come to patronize you. Being an affiliate in Fiverr is a very important and a sweet deal, because once you introduce Fiverr to someone and the person goes there goes there for service or register as a freelancer, you get paid a commission. So the last on our list, guys, is Bluehost. Bluehost is a website that offer a hosting service like Namecheap and the rest. So on Bluehost, because everybody is building an online presence. Everybody is building an online platforms, a portfolio for themselves online. So Bluehost is a good service that you can promote and you get paid in return. So guys, if you want me to be creating a video on how to sign up in any of these platforms and on how to get registered as an affiliate, you can comment that on the description of this video. And if you have any other questions concerning this video or any video related, you can also comment that on the comment section. Please share this video, give the video a thumbs up. That way the algorithm will know that you people enjoy the product, the content, and they will push it more to other people. I want to especially appreciate all those that have took their time to watch the last video and subscribe to the channel. In fact, my mind was blown away. I'm so happy, guys. I've been dancing literally. I want to appreciate you guys from the best part of my heart, because I'm really encouraged to make more productive, more value on this channel. So please, guys, keep up the energy, keep up the pace, like the video, watch the video, comment on the video, and also share the video, guys. please share this video and let other people get it. And don't forget, I can still create you a YouTube video on how to promote your link, your affiliate links. I mean, to get sales, you must not send it to all your friends. I mean, not all your friends would want to, you know, click on a link and want to purchase. So there are platforms or websites you can promote these links. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.